In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect apps in Make, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Make. Log into your account and open your workspace so you're on the main dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click on Scenarios. This is where all your automation workflows live. Look for the specific scenario that has a broken or expired connection. You'll usually spot it because it's not running as expected. Click on the scenario name to open it, and wait for the scenario builder to fully load. You'll then want to look for any modules showing an error or warning icon. These are clear indicators that something is wrong, usually an expired or invalid connection. Click on the module using that broken connection, and its settings window will open. Inside the module settings, find the connection dropdown. You'll likely see the old or invalid connection selected there. Click on Add a Connection or Create a Connection to start the reconnection process. A login window will pop up for the specific app, whether it's Google, Airtable, Notion, or another service. Sign in again to the same account or to a new one if you're switching, and then click Allow or Authorize to restore Make's access to that app. Once the authentication is complete, the new connection will appear in the dropdown. Select it inside the module. Now, before you move on, recheck all the module settings. Things like your spreadsheet, database, or board selection, any filters or triggers, and your field mappings. This is a common place where small errors can creep in. Click OK or Save to apply the changes. If you have multiple modules using the same app, repeat this process for each one individually. Once that's done, it's time to test. Click Run once and trigger some sample data to verify the connection works correctly. Open the execution log and confirm that the modules are no longer failing. For optional cleanup, go to Connections in Make and remove the old broken connection if you no longer need it. To prevent future disconnections, keep your app permissions active and avoid revoking Make's access in the connected app settings. Finally, click Save in the Scenario Builder and, if the scenario should run automatically, enable the scheduling. That's it. Your apps are now successfully reconnected in Make, and your scenario should run normally again with restored access to your external services. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!